Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Today we are cleaning out my refrigerator. Just a precursor, the rest of my kitchen is not clean right now. At that point, I was just so tired of seeing my refrigerator like that, and I was like, look, I will clean this refrigerator and clean my kitchen basically at the same time because I could not just live with it anymore. Shame on me, I haven't cleaned my refrigerator, deep cleaned my refrigerator since I moved into the house at this point. So it's been spot cleaned and stuff like that and wiped down, but I haven't taken out the shelves or the drawers or anything like that to just clean it up. And you can see that the hot sauce got stuck to the to the shelf right there. So all you really see me doing right now is clearing out the fridge, whatever I can get out right now, and then I start to take everything out and wash it. I was showing right there, I was like, look, who puts peanut butter in the fridge? You put peanut butter in the pantry. But anyway, now I'm taking out all of the drawers and shelves and things like that. I'm kind of struggling with taking out the shelves and stuff like that. But you'll see me actually wash out the shelves and stuff. I literally almost forgot to take all that stuff out. So after I take out the shelves, you'll see me start taking out the stuff on the door. So the name of the game is to really consolidate, throw everything away that we don't use, throw everything away that is expired, and get it together. Like I said, my kitchen was not clean really to begin with, so I guess you can say this is a kind of a full kitchen clean video, even though it's really not full kitchen clean. I am putting up dishes and stuff like that. This is me and my normal element in my house. That was me at that day. But yeah, right now I'm putting up dishes, and then I'll end up start washing off everything that has to do with the fridge. So right now the fridge is closed and empty. All the drawers and shelves are on the floor right now because I really needed to wash my dishes and kind of get that organized and out of the way before I really started cleaning up the fridge. There's a trash bag beside me, so if you see me ducking over to the side, it's to do that. Actually, since then, I've bought a new trash can. We used to have this white open trash can with no lid, and I just noticed my son liked to get into the trash, and I was like, no, we need a lid. So I bought a new one with a lid. I'm so excited. I have some videos coming up. I bought some Mrs. Myers, I won't say Dr. Myers, Mrs. Myers cleaning stuff, and I would like to show y'all what I like to use it for. There's some things, I got the all-purpose cleaner and the room spray. There's some things I don't like to use it for. I also bought an O-Cedar mop because I saw it a lot on here, and it has done my floors very well. So you'll see me actually clean with that as well. I also bought a carpet cleaner that I'm excited to use one of these days when I actually get a chance to use it. But right now we are cleaning out the fridge, or cleaning out the door on the side. I have a standard fridge. I can't wait till I can get me one of those huge 2-door fridges with the ice makers. I know I'm talking a lot. Let me know if that bothers you. Some people said my voice is therapy, and some people are like, I just want to watch. But I know when I'm watching videos, I got like the people that make the videos that ask this question. I personally like when they talk because I'm usually cleaning with them, so I can't just look at what they're doing. So for them talking and telling me what they're doing is helpful, and like according to what they say, I'll probably stop and look. So right now, see, that was my old trash can right there. And as you can see, it's not the best for when you have kids. Like, you really need a closed trash can, especially when they start exploring. Right now I'm cleaning the top of the door, but you can't see it, but I had a lot of like little gunk in there. One thing I haven't cleaned before is my freezer. How do y'all clean your freezers? The same way? Put that down in the chat. But I got it good in there. Y'all are gonna see that video in a second. I mean, the end of it in a little bit. Now, I did leave my pots and pans out because I was going to do a different, I was either going to wash it by hand or do like a different cycle for it. So this right part of the video right here, I'm trying to get the glass out of this so I can clean like the inside of it. And it took me a minute to actually do it because I didn't want to break it. So, water got everywhere during this video. And I think I finally got it out right here. Yep, there we go. Now I'll clean like all the little nooks and crannies that are in there. And I really wanted to get the front and back and the insides because that's where all the funky smells like live, in the nooks and crannies of the refrigerator shelves. And so now I'm rinsing it off. Like when we buy our house, I hope to have, or the next house we rent, and I don't really know which way we're going with that yet, but I really want a big sink, whether it be dual or a single sink. I want a huge sink for jobs like this. I think my son woke up at that point, or I thought he woke up and he didn't. Here we are cleaning this up. Now we're on to a drawer. I'm cleaning out the, I think this one is the two drawers at the bottom, so it could be for either fruit or vegetables. So what do y'all do with your groceries when you're cleaning the kitchen? I literally just let mine sit on the counter. Is that bad? Now this is like where the fruit and vegetable drawers like slide in and out of. So it's like the part where I can really control how much cool or warm air. I think I had trouble with getting the glass out of this one too. And I was really getting frustrated with that. But when I finally figured out, I was so happy. Look how clean it is. It's so satisfying. Look at the water like dropping down on the glass. That's just so satisfying to me. I think this is a drawer that holds like the lunch meat and the cheese. We put that in the same one because they're packaged. So like the slices of cheese, like Kraft slices of cheese, and our like ham and turkey and stuff like that. That's what we hold there. But because they're all packaged, you'll see when I put it all up what all goes in there. I think my camera stopped a couple of times on here. I'm not sure I'll catch it as it comes. But right now, I think this is like one of the times where it's about to. But look at the water in the glass. It's just so satisfying. Look how clean everything is getting. I'm kind of motivating myself right now to clean again now. That's when my computer messed up. I mean, my camera like glitched. I was not able to show putting the drawers back in. But I'm showing you like me putting stuff back in. I threw a lot of stuff away, so a lot of the stuff won't make it back in here. Look how clean and organized my fridge is. Putting all my fruit on one side, my vegetables are on the other side. I actually moved up the shelf where we would put like the juices and stuff because they wouldn't fit, and I never really thought to move the shelf up because there was always stuff on it. So, this gave me a chance to do that. But here is the clean, organized fridge.